हे हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज योर बॉलीवुड स्पाई यानी कि आरजे दिव्य सोलगांव। और इस वक्त मेरे साथ मौजूद है हम सबके चहीते बॉबी देओल। बॉबी, सबसे पहले तो कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस ऑन मैसिव सक्सेस ऑफ आश्रम चैप्टर 2 यार। मतलब ये टाइम तो और भी धमाका हुआ है, तो फीडबैक्स कैसे थे इस बार?
बहुत ही कमाल के फीडबैक्स थे। सब चारों तरफ से ऐसे मैसेजेस आए लोगों के। मेरे मम्मी पापा इतने खुश थे, उनकी आंखों में मतलब मैं सिर्फ खुशी देख रहा था सबकी आंखों में। ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं कोई सपना देख रहा हूँ और ये जब सब कुछ जो हो रहा है ये एक सपना है। पर I sometimes pinch myself to wake myself up, and I'm so grateful to all my fans and my new fans. God for is watching, knows will work hard, they deserve the success, and I'm really happy with that. And what more do I say? I'm just overwhelmed with the response.
चैप्टर 1 में जो आपका कैरेक्टर था वो थोड़ा सा ग्रे शेड वाला था, बट दिस टाइम इट वाज आउट एंड आउट नेगेटिव, इनफैक्ट मोर ऑफ इविल टू। सो हाउ टफ वाज इट फॉर यू टू गेट इनसाइड द मोड ऑफ द कैरेक्टर?
See, the thing is, once you get in, everybody, how to explain it? सबके अंदर बुरा और अच्छा होता है,
जी।
और and you meet a lot of people who have been bad with you, and you've seen things around you, and you can actually feel those emotions because that's what actors all we all notice things that are happening around us. We try to see other people, and so somewhere all the experience I've had for 25 years of being in the industry, plus my own, you know I've been trying to put myself in a very uncomfortable situation as an actor. So it kind of drives you to perform the right way,
So you're
So
saying
basically, it's all about 25 years of experience of how people have been around you, and just noticing them. And then also, as I said, we have good and bad in ourselves. We are human beings. We are not perfect creatures. So we all have greed in us. We all have, we're selfless. We are selfish. We're greedy. We are egoistic, and so all those emotions come across and help you perform a character like this.
तो बॉबी, आपके पास सबसे जो आपकी एक वन ऑफ योर बेस्ट क्वालिटीज, आपकी एक स्वीट स्माइल, आपके पास बहुत ही प्यारी सी स्माइल है। ये जो आपका फेस है वो क्यूटनेस एंड टफनेस दोनों को बैलेंस करता है। बट इस बार जो था वो कैरेक्टर, द गर्ल, वो इविलनेस जो आपके चेहरे पे आया था, वो कैसे लाया? मेरा क्वेश्चन मेन तो वो था, वो जो लाया। एंड वी वर लाइक वाचिंग एंड मतलब यार ये बॉबी, मतलब आपका कैरेक्टर, यू वांट टू हेट दैट कैरेक्टर, यू वांट टू हिट दैट कैरेक्टर। वो गुस्सा आ जाता है उसको देख के जब वो ये करता है तभी। तो वो कैसे हुआ?
I think it's just the way the character was written, and obviously the casting. I mean, प्रकाश जी ने देखा कि उनकी चॉइस ही मैं था कि जिसका इमेज ही इतनी प्यारी है और इतना वो है, और वो एक बुरा कैरेक्टर करेगा, तो वो लोग will get taken in by the performance, in the sense that if I don't perform the right way, which I did my best as an actor, so you will get taken in by the performance. And जैसे कि मेरी मम्मी को किसी उनकी सहेली का फोन आया, कह रही थी मेरी माँ कह रही थी कि उनकी आंखों में आंसू आ गए कि वो मेरी सहेली कह रही है कि बॉबी ने इतना अच्छा काम किया है आश्रम में, नेगेटिव है लेकिन फिर भी बहुत प्यारा लगा हमें। So I guess somewhere it worked, my image playing this negative character. I never imagined that playing such a negative character will get me such a positive response, So I think it just worked the right way for me. And obviously Prakash ji created the magic by getting everything together, and all the star cast and all the actors and characters put together, and he made a fine show out of it, So mostly all the credit, I think, goes to Prakash ji for creating such an ambience, for giving actors like me and the other actors a chance to perform, So I think I'm ever grateful to Prakash ji for choosing me for this role.
लेकिन बॉबी, एक झलक हमने देखी थी, मैंने इसके बारे में अक्सर कहा है, दिल लगी में, जो मेरा वन ऑफ योर फेवरेट वर्क्स में से गिनी, आई फील इट्स वन ऑफ योर फाइनेस्ट वर्क, दिल लगी। और थोड़ी सी एक और झलक दिखी थी, आई थिंक शाका लाका बूम बूम में, वो एक थोड़ा सा ग्रे शेड देखा था। this one was very risky for a superstar of your stature, you know, to do such role. I don't think so. किसी भी बड़े superstar level पे आके इस level पे आके इतना बड़ा negative role एक अलग होता है. शाहरुख did in something in Dar, that was a different thing. It had a sentimental value attached to it. कुछ ना कुछ तो था. But ये जो था, this was like there is no good thing. वो last में convert होके अच्छा नहीं बन रहा है. वो rape है. वो कमीना. Sorry for the word, but that character is like that. तो आप were you skeptical to accept this role कहीं पे कि ये उल्टा अगर पासा पड़ गया तो?
नहीं, I've become very fearless about my choices now. I think मैंने इतने ups and downs देखे अपने career में कि I know that I have to take the risk. I have to take these chances where I as an actor get motivated to work harder and perform. So I think that is a risk every actor takes. You know, it could be a positive character also, but if you falter somewhere, it won't work for you. And for me, I've reached such a stage in my career where I am ready to do character-driven roles. I'm ready to do characters which will, you know, give me the joy of performing. And that's the reason why, I mean, for me, a character like Kashipur Wale Baba Nirala was once in a lifetime opportunity, you know, given to me by Prakash Ji. And I knew that people will get very intrigued by this character because the storyline is such, you know, it's all what's happening in a society and people want to know what's happening. And Prakash Ji always picked up topics which, you know, create awareness. So I think the chemistry of choosing me, I guess, worked in the chemical formula for creating Baba Nirala. I don't know, but something worked the right way. And, you know, जैसे बोलते हैं ना, सीरम मिल गया मतलब कोरोना के लिए हमें वैक्सीन मिल गया तो आश्रम के लिए मैं वैक्सीन बन गया.
आश्रम आपकी वैक्सीन थी. तो यू नो धर्म जी ने भी एक थोड़े से ग्रे शेड्स एक दो फिल्मों में, करिश्मा कुदरत का एंड आई गेस कयामत में ही हैड दिस ग्रे शेड, थोड़ा सा नेगेटिव टाइप का किया था, एंड व्हिच इज अगेन ही वाज टू गुड इन दोस रोल्स. उनके क्या रिएक्शंस थे व्हेन ही सॉ दिस, एंड स्पेशली चैप्टर 2?
He's not seen the chapter 2 as yet because he says that beta I am just getting so many phone calls. I'm about to for you, and it just proves the fact that my son, who's, you know, I know what you've been through and I know you're trying your best and finally you've achieved something in your life as an actor. So he's very proud of the fact that people are talking about me in so much admiration, and you know, there's a whole change of view about his son. You know, that's what he's seeing, that's happening. So definitely for him, he started when he was an actor. The image was a very strong point of the character of the actors in those days, and to play a negative role, it was never accepted by the public. And I think that's what happened with Kayamat also, because Papa played a negative role, and he still remembers that my grandmother had gone to see the film, and she walked out halfway and came home in the evening, and she was very upset with my father for playing a character like that. But those were old days, and that's what he told me. He says, you know, beta, I'm so proud that you play a negative role and people are so positive about it. And times have changed now because people don't think like that anymore. You know, image is not so important. It's all about an actor performing, you know.
जी.
So I think that's what's happened now, and which I'm
बट
really
क्या
happy.
खूंखार लगे थे धर्म जी कयामत में, वो पोस्टर पे भी देख के दर्द, मतलब हम लोग बच्चे थे एंड वी गॉट दोस वीडियो कैसेट्स, वी वर स्केयर्ड टू वॉच दैट फिल्म. आगे बढ़ा नहीं पा रहे थे, इतना डर लग रहा था.
I also didn't like my father playing that role. I remember when I was a kid, because for me, seeing my dad being negative was something I couldn't digest that easily. But then times have changed a lot, and people are, you know, thanks to OTT platform, you can create different stories and bring them across to the public to view them. And it has given a lot of talent a chance to prove themselves. So I think OTT platform is a real blessing. You especially know, MX Player.
Of course,
MX Player has gone all out. You know, the way they promoted the film. मैंने कभी इतने posters अपने नहीं देखे लगे हुए कोई और फिल्म के. ऐसे लग रहा था कि पूरी बॉम्बे के शहर में बस आश्रम ही है, आश्रम.
And highest viewership है इसका. Ashram has got the highest viewership in this entire 2020.
Yes, I know. I mean, just touch wood.
Touch wood. Yeah. We are so happy. You know how much आई लव द ड्यूअल फैमिली। तो हम लोग तो बहुत खुश है। उससे एक और खुशी की न्यूज लास्ट वीक आई, दैट इज अपने 2 इज कमिंग, एंड ये भी एक फिल्म थी जिसमें धर्म जी एंड यू एंड सनी सर, मतलब आप तीनों का काम इतना कमाल का था। सो एंड दिस टाइम विद करण एडिंग द टीम, प्लीज कुछ बताइए अपने 2 के बारे में।
See, right now it's too early to talk about it. अभी तक स्क्रिप्ट पे काम चल रहा है. So I'm also very excited, to work with Dad and Bhaiya again and to work with Karan for the first time. So I think, it's amazing that we all have come back together, and the script Anil Sharma is working on, and I'm sure he'll make a good script. And once the script is ready, we'll start shooting for it next year. And I can only talk about it after closer to release when it comes to publicity time. Right now, there's nothing I can speak about it.
But it's a grand film, people are waiting for that. And साथ ही इस गुड न्यूज के साथ एक थोड़ी सी सैड न्यूज भी आई, सनी सर गॉट कोविड। तो हाँ, मतलब कैसी है
Yeah,
उनकी
he's doing
तबीयत?
fine. He's doing fine. He doesn't have such bad infection of the virus, so he's pretty okay. Touch wood again.
That's good.
I spoke to him in the morning and he was sounding fine. So it's just a process you have to follow for 10, 15 days. And, luckily the virus is becoming weaker and weaker. So he's doing fine. Thanks for asking.
And Love Hostel के बारे में बताइए, your next project. अभी तो मतलब people are again talking about it.
Again, as I said, what the synopsis said, it's about 2 lovers on the run and there's a mercenary after them. That's the storyline of the film, and it's got a very rustic background. So it's going to be another exciting, Shankar Raman is new talent who's made a film called Gurgaon, and I really enjoyed his work. He's a great cinematographer, so visually, and I know as a director he's going to do a great job, and I'm really excited. I'm actually really looking forward to starting that film. I'm starting it in next year, Feb, and excited to work with the star cast of Vikrant Messi and Sania Malhotra, great young talent. So it's going to be a fun shoot, and I'm really excited.
Next week धर्म जी का बर्थडे है, so क्या plans है और कौन सा memorable birthday आपको याद है पापा का?
पापा के तो हर साल, मतलब every birthday has some memories. It's not like in particular. I remember when I was a kid, तो मुझे बहुत शौक था कि हवन होता था तो मुझे भी हार पहनना है, क्योंकि जन्मदिन के दिन जिसका जन्मदिन होता था उसको हार पहनाते थे.
Wow.
So I remember sitting next to my dad and always getting a heart also put on me, celebrating. Because I used to say, Papa ka birthday, matlab mera bhi birthday hai. But that's how you are when you're a small kid, So for me, it's just sad that I'm working right now. I mean, I'm happy I'm working, so I have to stay away from my dad and my family. So I won't be able to really be near him on his birthday. I'll have to keep myself at a distance. But he's going to turn 85, and he's so strong-minded, and he's always, dying to work, and the energy and the fire he has even now, it's like,
of course,
it really inspires me to keep working harder.
एंड बॉबी, आपके कुछ फैंस ने ये टाइम भी क्वेश्चंस ये पूछे कि बिग बॉस में आप देख रहे हैं कि नहीं देख रहे हैं इस बार, आपके कुछ फ्रेंड्स हैं, तो क्या व्यूज है बिग बॉस के लिए?
I haven't watched Big Boss. I have not seen a single episode. I've just not had the time to watch it, and I don't know, man. मतलब क्या और कुछ कह नहीं सकता Big Boss. I mean, Salman hosted, and what better person to host it? So I have not really followed it.
चलिए, great, and we wish you all the best. Please अपना ध्यान रखिए, ख्याल रखिए, and again, lots of love to the entire family, and God bless you.
Thank you. Same to you, Divya. You take care and enjoy New Year's Eve, and I hope next year is a great year for all of us.
Yes, and we'll meet up soon. Fingers crossed.
Definitely. Fingers crossed.
Yeah.